In this video, we are going to be looking at the virtual classroom, and that is the place where you're going to have any synchronous interactions with your teacher. So if you look at your nav bar and at the Learn icon group, you will see the icon for Virtual Classroom. If you select Virtual Classroom, it will take you into that location. Now, you can see any class meetings that are coming up here. So you'll notice that there is a meeting happening right now. So if the meeting's happening right now, you'll see this little play button here that it's started. And in order to join that meeting, we're going to click here and say Enter Meeting. This is where you choose how to join. If you want to choose join with your microphone so that you can speak, you can do that. We're going to choose a listen only right now, but normally I believe you'll choose microphone so that you can interact with your teacher. So while you're here, you're going to be able to see anything that your teacher is doing. So now if your teacher is writing stuff on the board, you're going to see it here. If they're typing anything, you're going to see it here, and so forth. All right, you can interact with your teacher through these icons over here. So there's a public chat where any student that is also in the class will be here, and you can chat. Look here, and you'll see anyone else in the lesson, and you can actually send private messages to your teacher if you want to start a private chat as well. All right, you can turn on your camera here if you'd like. All right, but this is basically how you're going to be interacting with your teacher in the virtual classroom.